is morning, 6 o'clock. We're not in a big hurry today. We made it through our first night. Actually, I slept pretty darn good compared to some nights at that hostel. So, and you didn't sleep too good?
I slept okay.
Yeah.
But you know, I was concerned about my sinuses.
Sinuses, yeah.
So, but I was like very, very thankful. My sinuses were better last night than they have been. So.
Yeah, so her nose was starting to act up. So my nose continues to act up. But yeah, so now we gotta get some breakfast and everything put away. Got our breakfast, hot chocolate. I'm gonna add some Life cereal and granola. And Terry, my friend over there, is gonna do that shake. But
and
she's got
enjoying her coffee at the moment.
Yeah, she's got her nice coffee there.
And my new coffee mug.
All right, Terry, what's in it? It's greenish. No, it's yellowish.
It's superfood.
Oh my goodness.
For athletes.
Drink it. See what your face looks like.
Well, it's not quite shook up enough.
Oh yeah, and then we have refined sugar stuff over here. And the verdict.
It's not that bad.
Sure. We're officially stepping foot on the Cottonwood Trail Pass. Well, our day is finally here. We are trying to get to that John Muir Trail. It is the 16th of August, and we're officially starting. And this really should be a very exciting time. But I got some news this morning from my daughter that my husband's in the hospital. So he is scheduled for surgery in a few hours to get his appendix out. I feel helpless. I should be there, but I can't be. It's like I can't do anything. It's just worrisome. So I'm gonna go ahead and start the trail knowing that there is a possibility that I may have to turn around. So I'm a little worried. So that's weighing on me. I'll let you know how it goes. She should be texting me in a few hours through the Garmin. So we had to use the Far Out app to get us back on trail. Here we go. Been going about an hour, gone 2 miles, and we're now gonna start climbing 1,000 feet in the next 1.7 miles or so to the top of the pass. We got our first switchback, and we're breathing. You can see so far. I love it. Getting close to the top. Oh, I am breathing hard. All right, Terry, we're at the top of our first pass, Cottonwood Pass. What do you think?
Wow. Tough.
Yeah, so loaded packs, elevation.
Getting all my adjustments right on my pack.
Yeah. It's gonna be a challenge, so I'm glad we're only gonna go to Chicken Springs Lake.
Betty has developed a great plan.
So it's good to slowly work into this elevation. And today it's pretty cloudy. It's gonna be a chilly night, I think.
Well, the clothes might help it stay a little warmer too, so if it doesn't rain,
possibly, yeah.
it'll hold the
So
warmth in.
we got about 6/10 of a mile to, I think, Chicken Spring Lake, and hopefully I'll hear in the next hour how my husband's doing. Yeah, good thing they got some signs. All right, we're going this way. We are now on the PCT. These trees are different. Alright, getting close. We made it to Chicken Spring Lake. Trying to find a camp spot. The one behind me looks okay. It's fairly close. There's one up here where we first came in. So I think this is gonna be our home. It's a little bit of a walk. We just gotta go over these rocks down to the lake, but yeah, nice and flat. Got our tent set up now.
I drank.
It is time to eat our lunch. Did you drink all your water? 2 liters?
Yep. I
Holy,
have a little tiny bit left.
wow. How was your tuna?
Whoa.
Tuna crackers and Parmesan crisps. All right. Yeah, I got my beef stick, crackers, cheese. We have a couple of friends around here. Oh, what do we hear? Rain. It's about 3 in the afternoon or so. Just got word Vito is out of surgery and in recovery, so it sounds like things went well. Hopefully I'll get another update. We got the water boiling. We're gonna have some dinner. The rain stopped. I'm gonna have some mashed potatoes and
It's rolling.
tuna, I guess. All right, got word that my husband is home with my daughter. She's gonna spend the night at our house and take care of him. So he is out of surgery and doing well. So that is good news. The bad news tonight is I had to stuff my face so I could close my bear canister. Wow. I hope I can sleep later. It's only after 6 and I think we're gonna turn in here pretty soon. I'm gonna work on some videos and then call it a night. Hopefully, Vito, you rest well tonight, and I will check in on you in the morning. Alyssa and Lindsay, thanks for looking out for him.